am in a beautiful location. You totally love this. I want to take you on a tour to see this beautiful 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. Are you ready for the store? Let's go. I sell properties for everybody, for the 1% of the 1%, to those who need freedom, who are looking for a property, a house that gives them freedom to express themselves. This home is right for you. It's a rare find. 1.3 billion naira. If you call me right now, I'll give you the best deal on this property. It's in Lekki Phase 1. You do not want to miss out on this deal. It is hot and sizzling. Call me now.